Hello, my friends, and welcome to day 20 of the 30-day stretching challenge. Today we have a seated stretching session. So you could do this in a chair with armrests or without armrests. It doesn't really matter. When you're ready, find a comfortable seated position. On the inhale through your nose, sit up nice and tall. And as you exhale, allow yourself to settle deeper into your seat, your shoulder blades sliding down and back. On your next big inhale, reach your fingertips up toward the sky. And exhale to cactus the arms out to the side. Keep them out to the side and slowly close your elbows to round the upper back. Look down towards the ground. On your inhale, open your arms wide. Open the chest. Exhale, close your elbows around the back. One more just like that. Inhaling and exhaling. On your next inhale, open your arms wide, reach your hands up toward the sky, clasp your hands behind your head. Let's take a twist. Exhale, twisting over to look to your right. Inhale through center, exhale, twist over to the left. A few more of these at your own speed. Go ahead and take one more to each direction. Meet me back in center for some side bends. Dropping your right elbow towards the ground, left elbow reaches up. And then reverse, left elbow toward the ground, right elbow reaches up. Couple more just like this. Take one more to each side, waking up the sides of the body. Then go ahead and release your hands, give everything a little shake out. Cross your right arm across your chest, shoulder stretch. You can use your left arm to just gently guide your right towards your chest to deepen the stretch through the front of your shoulder. Sit up nice and tall, lengthening through your neck. One more breath here. Inhale, reach your right fingertips up overhead, bend the right elbow, tricep stretch. You can either guide your elbow down and back with your left hand, or perhaps you want to reach around, grab hold of your right fingertips. See if you can grasp for fingertips. If not, no worries. Sit up nice and tall, keeping the chest open. Take one more full deep breath in. Exhale, release your arms out to the side. Shake them out. Cross your left arm across your chest. Shoulder stretch. On your next breath, tricep stretch. Left fingertips reach up, bend the left elbow, guiding the left elbow down and back with the right hand, or Reaching around to see if you can grab hold of your fingertips. Ooh, this side is tight for me. Wherever you are, take a few breaths. One more full deep breath in. Release. Shake it out. Waking up the feet a little bit now. So on your next breath in, press into the balls of your feet to lift your heels. Stay for a breath. And then switch over, come onto your heels, lift your toes. Just waking up the ankles. And while we do this, let's add a wrist stretch. See if you can do both at the same time. Going in one direction and then switching, going the other direction. This is requiring all of my concentration. uh, all right. Find some stillness. Hands can be to your lap or to the armrest of your chair. Extend your right leg out in front of you. Point and flex the toe. Seeing how that feels. And then starting to take a few ankle rolls, going in one direction and then the other. From here, let's find a figure four stretch, crossing the right ankle on top of the left knee. You may use your right hand just to gently guide the right knee down toward the ground, flex your right foot. You may have to sit forward in your chair a little bit. Already, you're probably feeling a good stretch through your right hip, and if so, just breathe into the stretch. To deepen this, you can slowly hinge at the hips, thinking length through the crown of the head. Take a full deep breath in. A full deep breath out. Try to hinge and release more fully into the stretch. Slowly come back up to seated. Shake out that leg. We'll come over to the other side. Extend your left leg long. Start to point and flex through the left foot. And then explore some ankle rolls going in one direction and then the other. From here, figure four. Left ankle crosses over the right knee. Left knee opens wide. Left foot flexes. Notice how this side may feel a little different than the first side. Wherever you are, breathe into your left hip. Think length through the crown of your head. For more, you can fold at the hips. Take another full deep breath in. And as you exhale, slowly come up to seated. Shake out your left leg, your left foot. Plant both feet on the ground. We'll end with a few more neck stretches. Inhale to sit up tall. Exhale, left fingertips point towards the mat, right ear towards the shoulder. Breathing into the side of your left neck. Take your head over to the left, slowly bringing it around and forward. When you get there, reach your right fingertips out to the side, breathing into the right side of your neck. Allow your hands to rest in your lap as you take a few neck rolls here just to finish today's practice, going at your own speed. Once you've taken a few in one direction, go ahead and switch over to the other direction. On your next inhale, sit up nice and tall. Give yourself a big shoulder roll down and back when you get there. Finishing with one last full body stretch together. Inhale to reach your fingertips up. And exhale to cactus your arms out to the side, opening through the chest. And we are done. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.